Okay, we're given a list of 6 data with an average of 2 and a standard deviation d, where d is positive. Now, if d is positive, that means that it cannot be 0. Therefore, all of the numbers cannot be the same. Okay. Because only if all the numbers are the same, the standard deviation d is 0. Now, the question is, which of the following pairs of data, when added to the list, must result in a list of 8 data with standard deviation less than d? Okay, we have many choices. -2 and 0, 0 and 0, 0 and 2, 1 and 0, 2 and 2. Now 0 is kind of making you want to think that it is going to make it less. Okay, but what needs to happen in order for the standard deviation to be less? We want to add values that are more near the average. Okay, near the average, because if I add a number that is further from the average, I mean maybe a number that is greater than the biggest number or less than the smallest number, that would make the numbers expand. So the standard deviation would be bigger in that case. Now, since they are not integers necessarily, they are not restricting that in any way. They just say 8 data. Okay, we can have, for example, numbers like 1.9, 1.9, 2, 2, 2.1, 2.1. Okay, there are my 6 numbers. The average is 2. Okay, now if I add a -2, that would be way over here. That would make the standard deviation bigger. Now 0 is also way over here. That would also make the standard deviation bigger or greater than d. Not possible. 0 and 0, again, not possible. 0 and 2, I mean 2 is adding to the average, but 0 is making the standard deviation bigger. Okay, so not 1 and 2. Again, 1 could be here, and that is also further from the original average, making the standard deviation bigger. So only 2 and 2. If I add the values that are the average, I'm definitely going to make the standard deviation less than the original value, okay, because they are adding to the average. So the answer would be